Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today here I'm going to show you how to buy and sell and make money off flipping NFTs. It's really simple and easy methods. Here are three methods you can follow to buy NFTs at their lowest price and resell them for a reasonable price. Okay, first you need an account on OpenSea. I already made a video about how to create an account with MetaMask. Check my previous video. And you need Ethereum on your MetaMask. So to get Ethereum, you need to buy Ethereum from Coinbase or Binance. So you'll find the links in the description. And then when you buy it from those platforms, whatever platform you choose, copy this here. This is your wallet address, and paste it when you get to withdraw your Ethereum, and you will receive it in here. Okay. Now I have to tell you about something to keep in mind. NFTs are super high risk, okay? They are way risky than crypto. Why I'm telling you this? Because you need to keep this in mind, okay? Let's say that you bought an NFT and today it was trending and it's relevant, but tomorrow people don't want it. So you might stuck with the art forever, okay? So there is no one to buy it from you. So you need to keep this in mind and know that there is this much risk into this. So I just want you to know that before getting into this. Okay, so let's get started. Head back to OpenSea, the home page. So this is the first method, is by going to explore page and choose recently listed and buy now. So first of all, you need to know some basic things like this is the name of the collection and this is the name of the art, okay, and this is the price. You'll notice that some collections are verified than others. That means either this collection is trending and there is a lot of demand on them, or they were trending, because some of them are verified but they died off and there is no trend anymore for people to buy the NFT. Just a way for you to make it easier scrolling through here and choosing one of them, because you need to go through each one of these and see if it undercuts the others in that collection. So this method is about finding an NFT of a person who needs liquidity and just want to sell as soon as possible because they need that Ethereum or that money. So what they end up doing is undercutting everyone on that collection. Okay, so we need to buy that and then we set the price of the market. To do so, you can check the art and go to the collection and see what is the floor price on that collection. So let's check some of these here. So for example, let's check this one. I will click on the NFT collection and go directly to the collection. Okay, so this is the floor price and this is what we need. So first go and choose low to high. It's always set to low to high, but go to buy now. Okay, and we will see if there is someone undercutting everyone here. And as you can see, the floor price is 0.74 and it's here, the lowest one here is 0.74. The rest are 0.75. okay, as you can see, it gets higher and higher. So there is some people that will buy this and sell it for 0.75, but it's not that huge of profit. Okay, you might lose that on gas fees and you're not profiting anything. So let's head back and let's scroll down to see another example. So for example, this one, let's check and see. So this is the floor price, it's 0.19. okay, and again, price low to high and buy now. So this is a good example. So the floor price is 0.19, and here you can find this person here is undercutting everyone here. Even though it's 0.19, there isn't others selling for 0.19. they are all selling starting from 0.2. so this means if you bought this one here, sell it for 0.2 and you get that margin of profit. Pretty simple and easy. And always remember, there is risks with NFTs. You might buy something and it will never sell, so keep that in mind. With the second method, it's very simple. Get into any NFT art that you like. First, here is the name of the collection. This is the owner that wants to sell this one. So this method relies on that person who sells, that they might not know the cost of the NFT they are selling, okay? Because there is rarity on NFTs, okay? And there is traits. Sometimes there is some properties and traits that are so rare, which makes the price expensive for an NFT, okay? And some people just sell them without knowing that. That's where you need to come and snipe that deal, okay? So to know or get to see the properties of this one, just go to here and take a look on here, okay? As you can see, these are the traits of this NFT here, and the lowest the percentages are, the better. It makes it rare, okay? So let's say this 3%, and you can click on it and it will take us to this trait here on this collection. There where you can find if that person is listing it for a cheaper price and you can buy it and then resell it. As in here, that's not the case. So let's check another one. Let's check property. So for example, this is 1%, have this trait. As you can see here, these two are priced lower than the others, and for someone who flips can get these two and flip them and put them for starting from this price, okay? And this is the second method. The third method is risky than the first two methods, but it's very profitable. So how to get to do that is by going and see and find projects before they start the mint, okay? And you get to mint your NFT and list it on OpenSea before everyone puts it on OpenSea and starts relisting and reselling, okay? You need to be there at the beginning of the project. How to find them? You can go to Twitter and follow NFT accounts and stuff, and there is Discord communities about NFTs that post new NFT projects, and there is a tool that I will be showing you next video because there is more details and how to minimize that risk of buying something that has no value or something that will not sell for you if you bought or got into it. So and now I'm going to show you an example by going to a Twitter account of a project that is minting right now, and to show you how things are. This project here called Pixel Meow. So you can find most projects, they have Twitter and Discord. You can follow them on Twitter and find Discord and get with the community as well as their website. When they start minting, you go to the website, and as you can see here, it says mint now, and this is how much is available to mint, and you can choose how much to mint if you want more or less, and click mint now. And when you mint this, it will appear on your profile, and then you can list it to sell. But remember, this is why riskier, because you get into some projects and you don't know if it will take off or not. So wait for the next video. I'm going to show you a lot of things to keep in mind, and a tool to show you the upcoming NFTs, okay? So this is the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.